Pearson designed MyLab Math to help students learn and practice math. In this video, we'll take you on a guided tour of the MyLab Math online tutorial. So, let's get started and see how it actually works. Once you log in, you'll reach the My Courses dashboard. Here you can see a list of your active courses. As we can see, this student has 2 active courses in MyLab Math. Click on a course, and your Course Home window will appear. From here, you can access your assignments, view your progress, study plan and resources library. Now click Assignments to check out all your homework and quizzes. You can see when they're due and how many attempts you have. Also, you can see your achieved grades from the gradebook score at the top right corner of the table. MyLab Math keeps the highest score in case the student has multiple attempts. When you click on a finished assignment, you'll be redirected to a new page where you can see the assignment submission details and the score achieved. Pearson highlights the penalty reminder of a 5% score deduction for a late submission. So, be punctual in MyLab Math courses. Also, you can review the assignment and practice for further progress. For that, click on the blue Review and Practice button. It will take you to the Review Homework page, where you can see how many questions you answered correctly. A green tick will appear beside the correct answers. When you click to review a question, a checkbox will appear to inform you that any work in this section won't change your score. You can check your overall progress from the Student Gradebook option on the left menu. Here you can see your current course status, such as the percentage of your score and how many assignments you have submitted, including homework, quizzes and tests. Also, when you need any study material, click Text Contents or Video and Resource Library. Under Video and Resource Library, you will see these filtering options to find out the particular information you seek. For example, if you want to see videos only, tick on the Video checkbox and click Find Now. It will open many educational videos related to your subject. Select and play the video you like from the menu. Once you have finished your lessons, return to Course Home for other activities or log out. We hope this guided tour of MyLab Math will help you do your assignment better. But if you're struggling with MyLab Math or just looking for extra support, feel free to reach us.